Hurricane season in Southwest Florida is here. Is your property prepared? What if you had clear, high-resolution documentation of your building's condition before the next storm? At Hein Brothers General Contracting, our professional drone assessments capture detailed aerial images and video of your roofs, building envelope, stucco, concrete, windows, balconies, and other exterior components. This creates a comprehensive baseline record of your property's existing condition. Our assessments include ultra-high-definition photos and video, assuring that you have the documentation you need to provide to your insurer, proving pre-storm conditions of your asset. Drone assessments are safe, efficient, and minimize the need for personnel to access roofs or elevated structures while providing exceptional visual detail. Protect your investment before the next storm arrives. Schedule your pre-storm drone condition assessment with Hein Brothers General Contracting today.